Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I am back with another Cupshe try-on haul featuring bathing suits. So, whether you are totally over winter or you are heading on a spring break vacation or just, I don't know, getting out of the snow, or you have an indoor pool, whatever the case may be, let's get into some new swimwear. I haven't done a swimwear try-on haul from Cupshe in a hot minute, so I'm excited to share with you what they got going on this season. Because you guys know, I've been reviewing Cupshe swimwear for, I don't know, probably 3 years now, maybe over 3 years. So I know me some Cupshe, and some of my most favorite swimsuits are from Cupshe. So they have provided me with a coupon code KF15, which will work on your orders of $65 or more. All of the exact swimsuits I will have linked in the description box down below, but I want to talk about their like new different styles of swimsuits that they're offering. They've always offered a variety of one pieces, bikinis, like different coverage, all that kind of stuff, but they've come out with this new system that I think is so different, and a lot of people on the market are not doing it, so I'm excited to kind of tell you a little bit about it. So they've kind of split their swimsuits into 4 different categories. We have tummy control, slimming and sculpt, the bust enhancing, and then the ultimate beauty. So basically with the tummy control, they've created this power mesh lining in the lower front portion of the swimsuit, which we know it's like a known, not trouble area, but a known area where we like a little bit of extra control. So that's just gonna help make your suit feel more secure in the stomach area, not super tight, just fitting with a little bit of extra support. And you've got the slimming and sculpt. This is created by using a slightly different base cloth, spandex, and is lined with a power mesh lining front and back, and this is how they create more compression, specifically in the waist and hip area, leaving standard measurements around the bust and the arms and legs. Then you've got the bust enhancing. This is where it will lift and separate the bust line with a more supportive lift. So these styles have more of a push-up cup and wire to give you added support and lift. So then you've got the ultimate beauty, which basically does it all. It gives you support and lift to enhance your bust line, but also kind of slims and like sculpts the waistline. So I love that they're doing a push-up with compression, so you kind of get the best of both worlds. I feel like they are really giving us everything that we could have wanted in swimsuits and then some. As always, they have removable cup pads and they have adjustable straps. They also have, like, in my opinion, some of the best colorways and patterns and all that stuff. So without further ado, let's get into the styles that I picked up for myself. Okay, so I'm really into one pieces. I love them all, but let's start with the one pieces that I picked up. First of all, this color is everything. I really do love this purple, and I didn't think I would ever love purple the way I've recently been gravitating towards it. I want everything in purple for the spring summer, but I love the cut of this suit. So specifically, I find that I carry a little extra 11, you know, on my hips. This comes down low enough that kind of just like sucks that in, and I love it. Also very flattering on the chest line for myself. I love it. It's pretty adjustable in terms of it's just got tie strings in the back as well as on the top. So this will control how tight and like supported your bust line is feeling, and then this will lift it up, if you know what I mean. So love this suit. I think it's super pretty. I love these like it's kind of like an embroidered. Embroider is big for me this year, so I'm super happy that this swimsuit has it. There's a couple more that I'm going to show you as well. I'm really into the embroidery, but I love that detail, just extra detail on the top. Yeah, so this is the first swimsuit. The next one piece that I grabbed also has some super cute embroidery. I think this is like the perfect romantic vacation kind of bathing suit. It's super duper strappy. It's kind of got a cream, like off-white maybe, base to it, and then this beautiful embroidered overlay of this pink floral. I love it. Again, this is kind of a little bit more high cut, but you can kind of pull it down to fit what's best for you. It's got just 1 or 2 long straps in the back, which make it completely adjustable, with the fact that you can kind of slide how much you need based off of how much support you want and how much you want to suck you in. I'm a suck me in kind of girl, and I definitely feel the suck you in the stomach area of this, which is awesome. This is also not see-through. I always test it in my bathroom to make sure it's like double lined, probably even triple lined in there. I can't feel it all, but no sort of see-throughness. It's got a pretty decent coverage, and you can kind of control how much it sucks you in the waist with this back strap that kind of connects from the top to the bottom. So love this swimsuit. Think it's so pretty and so cute. And yeah, how feminine are these little embroidered bathing suits? I'm here for it. Let's just continue with our embroidery, shall we? So this is a high-waisted, I would say this is still like a mid-coverage kind of bikini. So this has the embroidery of the red all over it. I love this so much. Such a fun, colorful print bathing suit. I feel like I could wear this for sure in our like outdoor gym pool because it's a little bit more coverage and a little kid friendly, family friendly if you will, but I love the fun bright colors of this. And then this has the wire top, so again gives you just a little bit more lift and support. I would say I could have done a medium in this suit. I did do a small in all of these suits, but I would say I probably could have done a medium in them. So just keep that in mind depending on how you like your swimsuits to fit. I will have my general measurements linked down below, but a couple places I just felt like it was a little tight on me, specifically in the bust. So I would say I could have gone with a medium with this, but I still love the detail of this. I personally love a wire. I feel like it just keeps me where I need to be because, I don't know, after having kids, you know what I mean. You need a little extra support, but it doesn't look like a bra. So I love this, and I absolutely love the red pop of embroidery on this, guy. So cute. Comes with adjustable straps. I did take the cup pads to give myself a little more room. I took them out, and it has a clasp bra in the back. Love that suit. Most of the ones that I got have wired underneath because I just love that style. This next one is very cool. I love this sort of like purple with gold, and then there's gold fleck throughout the entire thing. Again, really pretty bra line. I love how wide this is, almost like a square neck, like a demi sort of fit to it. Again, adjustable straps. I did take the cup pads out of these for a little extra room with a clasp in the back. I loved this suit. This has more of that bottom where you could wear it low rise. I couldn't because a small was too small. If I got a medium, I probably could wear it like a low rise just on the hips, but I hiked it up. Therefore, I would say it makes it a bit cheekier in the back and a little more scandalous, but I still love this suit so much. So I would say if you're planning to wear this on the hip, size up. If you are planning to wear it high, then you can probably go with your true to size, but I love the coloring of this, and I think it's a really flattering suit. The last swimsuit that I got, I love the style of top of this. It's very like, I don't know, I have a couple of swimsuits in this print. I actually did not take the cup pads out of this. I felt like this gave me the perfect lift, push, and separation that I needed. It kind of has this just underwiring in just the cup, and then it breaks here, which I like it doesn't break. There's like a piece of fabric here. So I feel like it doesn't look super bra-like, and I love it. I also love how it's kind of like a deep set V in there, and it kind of gives like a contour to the breast line. I'm obsessed. Again, adjustable straps, and then a hook detail in the back, and you get 3 different like loops to put it on. I did put it on the last. Again, I feel like I could have gone with a medium in this, but still stunning. This has a really pretty like purple, pinky, orange, and nude tan sort of vibe to it, and it also has that overlay of sparkling that I just didn't think I would love, but I love. And especially in the sun, I mean, it's a cloudy, foggy day today, but in the sun it like glimmers and it's stunning. And then the bottoms that go with that again are a high-waisted. I would say these have decent coverage, but they're a little bit more cheeky. It has this crisscross V in the front. I like to hike them up a little bit more. So for that reason, again, I think I should have gone up to a medium just because I feel like it digs a little bit in. But this has really nice tummy control in this front panel here, and the cross waistband is so flattering. So absolutely love that. And again, it's got that same kind of shimmery, silky look to it. Love it. And then last but not least, if you don't know, Cupshe sells everything and then some. Bathing suits are definitely my favorite, but they also sent me over a little Valentine's Day gift. So a little silky night little gown, which is so cute. I love this baby light pink. Again, has adjustable straps in the back, and then this like kind of, I would say dusty rose, light purple robe to go with it. I love this little like peplum style at the bottom. So cute. So that is everything that I picked up from Cupshe. I think we are headed to Florida in February, so you guys know I will be rocking some of those suits. But if you have not checked out Cupshe, I think you will absolutely love them. If you feel like you are struggling to find the perfect bathing suit for you, I would try their Ultimate Beauty style. I think you will be so impressed with the, like, I don't know, the thought and the detail that goes into making us feel the most comfortable and confident in our bodies, in our swimwear. And just as a friendly reminder, everybody's body is beautiful the way it is, and everyone deserves to feel comfortable and confident in their swimwear. So check out Cupshe if you have not already. Don't forget to use code KF15 to save a little extra at checkout. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon. Bye!